Blogging is just a fad, they said. There's no real money in blogging, they said. Well, I'm here to tell you that blogging has been around since 1994, and the average monthly salary of a high-income blogger is $8,000. In the blogging world, making over $50,000 a year is considered a high-income blogger. Now that I have your full and undivided attention, I want to discuss how to make money blogging. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you the #1 reason blogs fail. Step 1 is to pick your niche. Before you even start thinking about making money, you need a solid foundation. Your niche. A niche is the specific topic you'll focus on in your blog. It's important that you choose something you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. If you choose something you can only tolerate, it will feel like a chore. So don't just pick a niche because you think you can make millions of dollars. Yes, that's important too. But trust me, you will quickly abandon your blog if you're not interested in the topic. So your niche can be anything from travel, fitness, personal finance, cooking, fashion, or even a unique blend of interests. For example, food bloggers and personal finance bloggers make the most money. Food bloggers and personal finance bloggers can make on average $9,000 a month. If you want more information on how to find a profitable niche, there's a link for a video in the description below. Step 2 is to create content. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to create quality content. High-quality, valuable content is what will keep your audience entertained, informed, and keep them from falling asleep while they read your blog. Your blog post should solve problems, answer questions, entertain, or inspire your readers. Be consistent. Don't ghost your readers. Post regularly and stick to a content schedule that works for you. Step 3 is to build your audience. You can have the best content in the world, but if no one's reading it, you won't make a single penny. The point is, writing a blog is not a set-it-and-forget-it way of making money, so building an engaged audience takes time and effort. Use social media platforms to promote your content. Interact with your followers and connect with other bloggers in your niche. Be present and make sure you let your audience know there's a real human on the other side of that blog. For example, responding to comments and emails can help you build a loyal readership. Step 4 is to monetize your blog. Yes, I know. This is what you've been waiting for. The whole point of blogging is to make money. The good news is that there are several ways to monetize your blog. So, if you don't like one method, you can always try another. You can also combine these methods to maximize your earnings. The first method is Google AdSense. This is one of the easiest ways to start monetizing. Google places ads on your blog, and you earn money when readers click on them. The second method is affiliate marketing. Once you pick an affiliate program related to your niche, you can recommend products or services. Once a reader clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. The third method is sponsored posts. Companies pay you to write about their products or services. Make sure the sponsored content is relevant to your blog's niche. The fourth method is to sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, printables, or other digital products that cater to your audience's needs. The fifth method is the membership or subscription model. You can offer premium content to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. This could be exclusive articles, videos, or access to a private community. The sixth method is freelancing or consulting. If you're an expert in your niche, offer your services as a consultant or freelancer. Your blog can act as a portfolio, showcasing your expertise. But how will people find me? Well, I'm glad you asked. The key is search engine optimization, or SEO for short. To make money blogging, you need traffic, and lots of it. And one of the best ways to drive organic traffic to your website is through SEO. Research and use relevant keywords in your content. You need to make sure your blog actually uses the keywords your customers or readers are actually searching for. The higher you rank on search engines, the more visitors you'll attract. Another way to up your blogging income is to email people. Let me explain. Building an email list is important to successful blogging. It allows you to directly reach your audience and promote your content or products. You can offer freebies, like an ebook or a checklist, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Use email marketing tools to send regular newsletters, updates, and promotions. And another way to make some serious cash is to monetize your emails with affiliate links or sponsored posts. See what I'm getting at here? The possibilities are endless for making money while blogging. So switch it up. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to long-term success. Use any or all of these 6 monetization methods to get more bang for your buck. But let's take it a step even further. You can use other methods to supplement your blogging income. For example, you can start a YouTube channel, podcast, or offer premium content to maximize your income streams. Now, let's talk about the big fat elephant in the room. Making money blogging doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. Many successful bloggers didn't start making substantial income until they had been at it for months or even years. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't give up. And if you've been watching this video up to this point, I bet you want to know why most bloggers fail. The answer is simple. Blogs fail because they don't offer anything of value. I know you may think highly of yourself, but no one cares about you. Let me explain. It's about the readers. How are you improving the lives of your readers? Do you offer anything of value? If not, your blog will probably collect dust along with your pockets. So please center your blog around your readers and give them valuable information. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide on how to make money blogging. Remember, it's all about choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, building an engaged audience. If you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of full-time blogging, the potential is limitless. So don't just sit there staring at the screen. Start that blog and stick with it. Thank me later and give me a shout out when you start making big money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to be a successful blogger.